Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Simple demonstration of how 3D printing will control future manufacturing. This is a simple demonstration of a 3D printing of a dragon from 3D CAD/CAM software. The gradual and continuous dropping of the material is in sequence with the pattern the object is drawn in the software. The gradual dropping combines to take the appropriate shape and bring out the real shape. 3D printing in modern manufacturing is one of the newly invented manufacturing methods involving the additive manufacturing process, where shape of 3D image is created in solid form through continuous addition of material until the full dimensions of the image is achieved. The process uses artificial intelligence technology to transmit 3D designs into manufactured object. The 3D printing technology is also a modern invention which is now being incorporated into manufacturing processes. The 3D printing technology is one of the best methods of developing a prototype before a mass production is introduced. The manufacturing process is also the best approach in ensuring accurate replication of products. In a simple term, the 3D printing application in manufacturing process means gradual addition of material in accordance with the drawing and shape dimensions of the 3D image. This video is a clear demonstration of how a 3D printing is applied in manufacturing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.